Navarro. I'm the Deputy Executive Director for Programs of Center for Youth Advocacy and Networking. So, Center for Youth Advocacy and Networking is a youth-led and youth-serving non-government and non-profit organization and was established year 2005. We envision a community where young people are empowered and able to affect societal change toward a truly just and democratic society. We work to contribute to building and creating platforms for young people's participation, empowerment, and youth agenda development. We work on 5 core issues that are most relevant to the youth sector. First, that's participation. Second, it's education. Third is employment. Fourth is health. And fifth is environment. And in order for us to champion these 4 issues, we have 4 key areas of work. That's through youth agenda development. Second, youth policy advocacy. Third is capacity building, and we also provide technical assistance to our member organizations. And last is networking and partnership. What project we want to highlight? That's the Model Sangguniang Kabataan or Model SK. It is one of the flagship project of CYAN. Model SK aims to train and produce youth leaders age 15 to 30 years old and youth organizations or networks who are effective in campaigning democracy and youth rights through various local youth participatory mechanisms. We were able to conduct a nationwide study on Sangguniang Kabataan entitled Saliksik or Salik SK. It is an assessment of the SK reform law implementation and the SK responses to the COVID-19 crisis, which highlighted key challenges faced by our youth village councils. And based on the study, it suggests that our SK needs reinforcement in terms of realizing and fulfilling their duties as local government officials. At the same time, there is also a need to promote transparency and accountability in SK through sustained Katipunan ng Kabataan or KK participation in SK functions, such as in decision-making processes. Providing spaces for training, collaboration, and exchanging good practices and ideas and discussions on youth-centered policies is vital in making sure that KK's participation. Model SK training aims to empower Katipunan ng Kabataan members on the rules and responsibilities in local governance and nation building, particularly in realizing their mandate as the highest decision makers on matters affecting the youth's welfare and interests in the barangay level. So CYAN, together with our partner organizations, have been at the forefront in passing the SK reform law in 2016. And CYAN hopes to ensure that the law is fully realized and that the SK officials in the country and even our KKs, Katipunan ng Kabataan, become effective and responsive youth in their communities as we break down social, cultural, and institutional barriers to participation and good governance in the country. CYAN benefited from the rich experiences and lessons of different youth and student organizations, which hone youth-centered development model, or which we call CYAN UDEMO or Youth Development Model. We use UDEMO as our guiding approach to our lens in analyzing issues and challenges by recognizing the nature, unique characteristics, roles, and potential of young people in the country. We always say this, we put the young people at the front and center of our work. In CYAN, we work with young people as agents of change, partners for decision-making, and community development. So thus, we aim to build an alternative youth institute is our constant reminder to lead and act together with the youth, for the youth, broaden our horizons to make a difference. For those individuals, organizations, communities who would like to volunteer and be part of our initiatives and projects, you may message us on our Facebook page as www.facebook.com/CYAN Pilipinas or through our Instagram account, that's at CYAN Pilipinas. You may also send us an email, cyanpilipinas@gmail.com. We are excited to work with you in putting young people at the forefront and center of our work tungo sa malaya at mapagpalayang lipunan para sa mga kabataan. Maraming salamat.